Hey guys, Steph Rich Parker here, and I am back with another video for you all. And this video is for my 20 steps to starting a cleaning service in 2020. So in today's video, I want to talk about picking your domain and your social media handle. As time goes by. So if you guys are new to this series, let's do a brief recap of what we have started so far. So we went over mindset. We've also covered researching your city and competition. We have defined our unique selling proposition, and we have written our business plan. Y'all, we have come a long way. Okay guys, let's jump right into this, picking your cleaning business social media handle and domain name. So this is super critical because at this point you should have decided on the name of your cleaning service, and it's pretty important that your domain and your social media handles all match up to your business name. So let's start with picking your domain. So you're gonna have to go to a domain host to find the name. So for me, I went through Google to buy my domain. You don't have to use Google. There are a whole lot of companies that you can use. There's GoDaddy, HostGator. I think you can also use Wix as well. So just pick one and go for it. And one of the things that was really important to me was to get a .com, not a .net or a .org or anything else. Really a .com, because that's what people are used to. When you pick your domain name, you want to be super easy for your customers or potential customers to find you. And most people, when they're typing in a URL or a domain address, they're going to use .com. So truth be told, when I started my cleaning service, I had a few names that I wanted to use to name my cleaning service, but the domains were not available. So I didn't want to use them. Or the name wasn't available, or the name plus the .com wasn't available. So I just switched and went with a totally different name, because for me, it was super important to have my cleaning name plus the .com. That's just my opinion, but you know, do what's comfortable for you, but that was super important for me. So if your cleaning service is, you know, happymaids.com, for example, and happymaids.com is not available, you know, you may think about adding maybe a word in the front or the back of it. So you may say, we are happymaids.com. So there's a lot of different ways you can kind of figure that out. Obviously, you want to make sure your name is included, plus the .com is something that's easy for your customers to find. So at the same time you are looking to create your domain name, you also want to look for social media handles, because they all should match. You want to have that name branding all across the spectrum online. So you don't want any type of confusion. So when I was creating my social media handles, these are the top social media handles that I secured my name for: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. You may not use all of these social media handles while promoting your business, but I think it's really good to at least secure those for now, because right now those are the most popular. So for example, again, if your cleaning company is called Happy Maids and you have the happymaids.com, you want to secure the IG for Happy Maids. You want to secure the YouTube for Happy Maids, Twitter for Happy Maids, and so on and so on. Because the goal of the social media handle and the domain, you want to make it very, very easy for customers to find you, right? You don't want to be happymaids.com and happymaids01 on Instagram and Happy Maids Orlando on YouTube, and then Happy Made something else on Twitter. And also too, when you are creating your marketing collateral, you want everything to be cohesive so that one company name can carry through on the .com and also on the social media handles as well. Okay guys, that's it for this particular video. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments, what are you thinking that you are going to name your business, and let me know if you have secured your domain and your social media handles. And stay tuned for my next video in this series, which is all about web hosting and designing your website. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye.